Hello traders, the date is 22nd of September 2015. My videos will only show the paper trades that I execute on a daily basis. I will show you my entry, exit and stop loss and my thoughts behind it. Right, so the stock that I scanned and traded on Ameritrade platform was MOS, M-O-S, the Mosaic Cocom. Right, so let's start with my daily screen here. I'm just going to quickly tell you that why I traded on this stock, why I shorted on this stock today. The number one reason why I shorted on the stock was because it gapped low. That was a plus for me. And there were other various reasons why I picked up the stock to short. Right, going on to my 5-minute chart here. This is my 5-minute charts, which has RSI on it, volume, and of course price action. And this would be your Japanese candlestick pattern. Right. So I entered the trade on MOS at 9:48 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you see here, this red time trend line and the horizontal blue line, this is the time and at the price that I entered the trade. So the price was $34.06. So I sold, I think it was 1,000 shares at this time and at that price. Right, and you can see how the trade went after that. It went down, it retraced, again went down, retraced a bit, and then went down from there. I exit the trade at 3:15 Eastern Standard Time, and if you see here, this is the point, the vertical red line, which is the time trend line, and the blue horizontal line, the price trend line. This is the point that I bought the shares, my 1,000 shares back. Remember, we are doing shorting here, short selling. Right. So I made some profits here, and it was a good trade. On this trade, I had my stop loss just above the wick of this first red candle. So it was at the price $35.46. Now, why did I enter at this price and why did I exit at this price? Well, I entered at this price because it took me some time to scan, and that was the time that I picked up the stock and everything looked all right to me, so I entered the trade here. Of course, I look at my scanning strategy and I scan, and then I look at my daily chart as I showed you before, and then I entered the trade here. So entry for me is not a problem. It's the exit that I have to constantly monitor, and what time I need to exit the trade. Now, if you look at this screen over here, which is my breadth indicator. Well, actually, there are breadth indicators here. I've got dollar tick, I've got dollar trend, and dollar trend Q here. Market wasn't doing good today, and I can see that on my breadth indicator that it started low here. It was below the zero price line, and that's how I knew that my shorting technique would work on the on the stock. If you know how to read trend, dollar trend and dollar trend Q, you would know the market is not doing well. And so at this point over here, this point, I had a choice to make whether I should take my profits and get out of the trade or remain in the trade. Okay, now looking at the market, that market is not doing well, I decided to remain in the trade. I like to keep my position. And because my stop loss is here, so I'm not so much bothered. Okay, the trade went down. Actually, market picked up a bit here. And I was still in the trade. I'm also looking from time to time at my RSI. So this is showing me nothing. Also, I'm looking at my higher highs, higher lows. And this is also telling me that the stock is making lower highs. You see this point over here, and then you see this point over here, and I'm happy to be in the trade. I'm not getting out of the trade. All right, now closer to the time, at about 3 o'clock over here. Also, mind you, I am looking at the volume and some of the other things. When I say some of the other things, it would be my time and sale screen over here. Well, the market has closed now, so it does not show, but my time and sale goes here and my level 2 goes here. So I'm looking at my time and sales and level 2 codes here as well. Just a very quick glance, because this is day trading, this is intraday trading. I only have 6 hours window. So at this point, what I did was, it's like an hour left. I trailed down my stop loss at 33.47, which is here, and about 3:15, I believe. Yeah, at this point I got out. So that was the trade that I took, the shorting trade, the short selling trade on MOS. Well, let me know what you think about the trade, and if there's anything that you can add on or that I'm not looking at, or if I look at, I will do much better, then please do leave the comments down below. Thank you.